Hi, this is Corsair's Ax850 and I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing on it. This is 80 plus gold and high performance ATX power supply. See, nothing really on the side there. The back tells you how many connectors, but we'll go ahead and go over that when I open the box up. There's a little graph right here. You won't be able to see it unless I can get you zoomed in. Just a second. Just a second. That's the best I can get it, but I'm gonna go ahead and tell you what it just pretty much basically says that at 50% system load, it's gonna have 90 plus efficiency, and everywhere else is gonna have about like 89 to 90. It looks like, yeah, and that's kind of the benefits you get with 80 plus gold. But let's go ahead and get this unboxed, and I'll go ahead and go over the inside things you get with it. Thanks a lot. Hello, now that we got the unit out of the box, I'm going to go ahead and open it up and show you guys what comes inside. Little power cable right here. There's a little bag with 4 mounting screws. Let me go ahead and open this up and show you guys. Oh, that's a nice little badge. Grab the camera. One Corsair badge, some tiny zip ties for cable management, 4 mounting screws right there. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the power supply unit itself right now. There's a little Corsair bag you get with it. Pull it right out. This power supply ATX 2.3 support, 2.2, backwards compatible with 2.1. Right here on the bottom you can see 120 millimeter fan mounted right here. This is a double ball bearing fan. This power supply features, man, you can barely see the capacitors. You guys probably won't be able to see them. No, I'm gonna go ahead and quit trying to show that. But very high quality capacitors, the Japanese capacitors. What else do you want to know? Fully modular. You can see the little modular cables. I'm hopefully not going to have to use all of them, but we'll see about that. And it also features under and over volt protection, short circuit protection, and just has kind of a sleek, all stealth black look to it, except for this little logo right here. You can see, yeah, this one's pretty much always going to face out, unless you flip it over. Yeah, you can flip it over. Oh, it's on both sides. Alright, well, this is always going to be showing. Oh, I'm going to go ahead and go over the cables with you guys. Cables. Lots and lots of cables. AC power, ATX. One thing about the ATX connector, which I actually really love, but there is a downside too, is they did all black wiring, so it's just completely stealth looking. But for jumping purposes, I'm going to have to actually look up what I'm doing when I jump, because all I do is connect the green and the black when I do jumping. But here's 6+2 PCIe connectors. There's 2 on this one and 2 on this one. Let's see, EPS. Yep, 2 EPS 4+4 connectors right here. And here's one thing they included that I'm actually really into. They have SATA power right here, and one of them, these connectors have 4 right here and 4 right here. But they also did, instead of just in case you have like one that's running 6 and you don't want to have a bunch of extra cable clutter, they included 2 SATA powers with 2 connections. So like if you need 6 SATA powers, you can run a 4 and a 2 instead of 4 and a 4, and then have the 2 SATA powers extra just kind of hanging around there. But that's a nice little feature that I like. But anyway, floppy power, open Molex adapter right here. Get this little flop. There we go. And let's see. With these Molex connectors, the 4-pin peripheral powers, one thing I really like that they did is they added these. And these, when pulling these apart, sometimes they're really, really hard to pull apart. And I don't know, my hands are pretty riddled full of arthritis, carpal tunnel from keyboarding all day, but Pulling these apart can get really difficult, and these have like grooves for grip, and then additional leverage for when prying them apart. Just yeah, little things like that. All right, that's about it for cables. I hope you guys like my unboxing for the Corsair Ax850. This power supply comes with a 7-year manufacturer warranty, so I'll probably have this power supply after I get my bachelor's. And thanks a lot for watching. If there's anything else, any questions you guys have, just leave them in the comments. Thanks a lot. See you later.